Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Oh, what have we here today? Oh, bacon, baked potato, and cheese omelet. Those are 3 beaten eggs, and they've rested for 5 minutes. This is a shredded cheese blend. That's a russet potato. And this is Mike Foster. How you doing? Today, it's another omelet. I know you love my omelet recipes. I know you love my egg videos. My mouth's watering. This is a good one. Everyone loves bacon. I'm going to prepare, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Potato, put this baby together. I can't wait. Check it out. So what I'm going to do is just cut the potato like this. See that? We're going to cube it. So it's, and this is still hot. This just came out of the microwave. And then you just cube it. 1, 2, and cube it this way. All right. Let me finish that up. And then you take this bacon, and you're just going to, well, you're going to put it in these bits like this. See? That'll be all ready. We get that stove heating, that pan for medium. I'll meet you over there. All right, we got a medium pan. Put some butter in there. Plenty of butter. Get this going. Yeah, we want a lot of butter, so no stick. Also a little olive oil. These are 3 pasture-raised eggs that have been beaten for 2 minutes and rested for 5 minutes. That's the start of any perfect omelet. All right, I'm gonna give it a little mix about here. See that? That gets it in a really good spot. Come on, not too much, Mike. Don't be cuckoo. All right, let that sit for a little while. While we're waiting, pepper. 12 cracks. All right, how's this baby coming along? Coming along great. Probably another minute, and this goop will solidify a little more. All right, how we doing? Oh yeah, that's ready for the cheese. Let's throw the cheese on. That's perfect. Lower this to low. Drop in these potatoes. Put them all on this left side. I'm explaining it. It's going to be creamy with the cheese and the egg. Potatoey. You're going to get some nice start to your day. This will take it to killer. These are 4 pieces of bacon. Look at that, baby. Oh yeah, I'm not kidding now. All right, that's a huge omelet. That's what she said. Flip it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let it do its thing. Let it melt in 30 seconds. Shut it off. I'll meet you at the counter for close-up. All right, there's the close-up. It's a beautiful, perfect omelet made with bacon, potato, and cheese. Get a little pepper on there. Check this baby out. There's that omelet. Oh my God, this is enough for 3 people. Let's find which end to take a nice bite out of. That's what he said. All right. Okay, this looks like it has a little of everything. Are we ready? I am. Creamy from the cheese and the potato. Let's get some of that bacon. The eggs cooked really well. Dare I say perfect? No, maybe it's not perfect. We'll find out. Creamy potato, got that. Got the bacon. Not too much cheese. Nice way to start your day. Get a little protein. Get some carbs to burn off. Really good way to start. Bacon. And that's awesome. Oh. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
it's still hot. Ah, I told you it's hot. Get that centered. That might be too much. Okay. These are secrets. No's no longer kidding. Here's that omelet. Where'd it go? That's my joke. That's the sweet babu, baby. The baby babu. That's another one. Look at that. That's good. There's no doubt about it. Oh, Papa. I'm watching golf. Let me see. There it goes. That's me in golf. Ah.